Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. A lot of you have reached out to me and asked me about cellulite and how to treat it naturally. So here we go. Cellulite is the dimpled looking skin that commonly occurs in the thigh and hip area. It forms when fatty tissue deep in the skin pushes up against the connective tissue. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about it as we proceed. Cellulite is more common in women. In fact, it is estimated that more than 85% of women over the age of 21 develop cellulite. There are a few contributing factors which lead to cellulite development when women gain weight during pregnancy and then lose that weight, and same with weight gain in general. It overstretches the fascia, which is the connective tissue, and there is a higher chance that you will develop cellulite. Other contributing factors are age, family history, tissue inflammation, loss of collagen, poor circulation, a common issue in the legs, poor lymphatic drainage, and a thinning of the epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin. Now, I'm sure you have heard that it is a game of hormones. It is true. Hormones do play a role in the development of cellulite. Two hormones which are especially responsible are insulin and estrogen. High insulin and high estrogen levels both contribute towards the development of cellulite. You see, you can't get rid of fat cells. You can shrink them, and in order to do that, you have to regulate your insulin levels. And the best way to do that is intermittent fasting and low carb intake. If you control your insulin levels, you will control your cellulite. Otherwise, anything you do will not be sustainable, and it will not give you the results that you're really looking for. The area where there's cellulite usually has inflammation. And intermittent fasting can take care of that as well. Along with that, you must lower your estrogen levels, since estrogen is mainly responsible for that fat around the hips. One way you can lower it is by consuming a large quantity of raw vegetables, especially cruciferous vegetables. This will contribute to weight loss, and it will help people who are overweight to lose cellulite. Losing excess body fat may naturally reduce the appearance of cellulite. Next thing, which is really helpful, is water. Drink more water. I'm talking about at least 10 to 12 cups of water daily. Not only does it keep you hydrated, water also helps encourage circulation and lymphatic flow. Remember, the rule is inside out, not outside in. You cannot focus on the outside and forget the inside. It has to be inside first. The next thing which really helps is consumption of bone broth and good quality protein. That's because you want to support both the connective tissue and the muscle underneath. Bone broth is a great source of collagen. It supports skin, hair, and nail growth. It's good for joints and can help joint recovery as well. It can help tighten loose skin, and it can help promote digestion and improve cellulite as well. You also want to increase omega-3 in your diet. The best is always to add it through food, and if you're not eating enough omega-3 rich foods, then you can consider taking a supplement. Now let's talk about outside. One of the best things you can do for cellulite is dry brushing. It is an extremely effective treatment to reduce the appearance of cellulite, and an inexpensive one too. It is better if you do it twice a day. Next is myofascial massage. Cellulite forms in the fascia, a layer of connective tissue below the skin that contains fat cells. Superficial fascia is fibrous, and due to inactivity, injuries, and improper exercise, adhesions can form, which give the skin that bunched up or rippled look. Some therapists are able to perform myofascial massage, which smooths this layer of connective tissue and can apparently also help with some types of muscle and joint problems that are related to imbalances in the fascia. For those who don't have access to a regular massage, using a deep tissue foam roller regularly can greatly help as well. Next thing that I would recommend is coffee scrub. Coffee scrub is good in reducing the appearance of cellulite and smoothing the skin. Another thing that is really, really important is daily moisturization. It is highly effective. What can make it even more effective is if you add certain essential oils to your moisturizer, such as juniper oil, tangerine oil, and pomegranate oil, which are especially great for cellulite. Now, you can do everything, but if you're not moving and exercising, you will not really see great results. Any kind of whole body movement is good. But there are some exercises which are especially effective in getting rid of cellulite around thighs and hips. These include squats, step-ups, and side lunges. Some aerobic exercises that can help include cycling, hiking, running, swimming, and walking. Last but not least, you have to reduce your stress levels. Stress produces cortisol, which is destructive on muscle. And if your cortisol levels are high, it increases the insulin levels and actually reduces the growth hormones, which are essential in getting rid of cellulite. Other things that you must do is increase your vitamin D levels, preferably by being out in the sun. Increase potassium-rich foods in your diet like bananas, prunes, raisins, dates, grapefruits. Along with that, reduce sodium in your diet and increase healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, fatty fish, and nuts like Brazilian nuts, cashews, and almonds. Drink up to 2 cups of green tea and make sure to have adequate amount of sleep. It will take some time before you start getting the tissues back to where they should be and get rid of cellulite. It is dependent on age as well. If you're menopausal, it can take up to a year before you start seeing the results that you're satisfied with. But you will see results, so don't give up. Taking a before and after photo helps to keep you motivated because the changes are so subtle you might not notice them on a day-to-day basis. This is it for this video. I am sure it will help you if you follow these suggestions as a package deal. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends and family and like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.